It has been written in history that once here stood a kingdom called Samudera Pasai, which played a big role in the spread of Islam in Indonesia and Southeast Asia. Located in the Strait of Malacca, during its golden age, this place was a world trade route and an important port in Nusantara. Apart from being rich in historical heritage, the people still maintain their unique traditions. And now, it becomes a popular cultural attraction. Like Rapai Uro, which is still played at various events. Those who listen to the beat will feel the energy. And riding while enjoying the view from the top of Mount Salah is exciting, especially when you take a break to drink a cup of coffee. From the mountains to the coast, the natural beauty is extraordinary. Like the charm of Bantayan Beach, which offers a variety of activities. For those who love adventure, this place seems never stop giving surprises. Right through the forest, feel the action and sensation. Then relax and enjoy the atmosphere on the riverbanks of Sawah. If then nature offers the beauty of a waterfall flowing from behind the mountains, then no words can explain. This is North Aceh, a place to discover history, cultural diversity, and natural beauty.